I don't think so. Today also anyone is joining. So Vijay, Google My Business is clear, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. So we'll start with website today.
We can.
Okay. So I'll just share the screen. Is the screen visible?
Hmm.
Okay. So what we are going to learn fundamentals and advanced concepts. What are we going to learn? Introduction, components, tools, hand, create your site, questions. So Vijay, what do you know about website? I mean, like, what is website?
Website is something where it gives all the information about your whatever, your company, your organization, whatever.
Yes. Like, the images you can say,
Exactly.
content.
Photos, services,
Yes,
complaints, etc.
correct, correct. So we'll have an introduction like how has marketing changed in the last decade and the need for going digital. So with this, we have done it in social media, like how it helps us to, reach
Hmm.
out to the right audience by going digital. Okay, we
Hmm.
can track audience also. How many people have liked, how many people have commented our post, or what is their opinion towards our product and services. Okay, so that is in digital, I mean, like online, you will get to track, but in traditional, it is very impossible for you to track,
True.
how you, I mean,
But
how,
Nazarene, do really people take that time to get into your website and give those feedback,
yeah,
give those
yes,
comments?
yes, they do.
Acha.
Because see, Vijay, even if you want to see, though you are aware about the city where you are staying, okay,
Hmm.
you know which are the shops nearby, everything you know. But what you do, you Google it,
Hmm.
right? You Google it, whatever, like shop near me, mall near me, or restaurant near me, whatever. Okay,
Correct.
where you get the list and
Hmm.
where people visit on the top three only. They'll click
Hmm.
on it, even if you want to buy, if you're looking for ethnic wear. Okay.
Hmm.
So, though you are aware, yeah, there are shop, but you don't remember the name. So, what you do, I mean, like you just Google. So, you find n number of, shops in front of you on the screen. So you go, you click on the website, you will get you it will take you to the ethnic landing page, ethnic wear. Okay, but apart from that, you will get other options also.
True.
Okay, apart from ethnic, I mean, like you have a normal kurta also, you'll wear that, but again, you will think like, I'm looking for a party clothes also. There is one more function in the wedding where they have a, organized a party also. So you will get multiple options. So website is a added advantage. Okay. Even if you promote on social media, you will promote every day one post. Okay. About,
Hmm.
for example, if you're into clothing, okay, today you'll
Hmm.
promote about kids' clothing. But again, how many pictures will you upload? It is very difficult for you to upload the pictures. And, people will not understand in a small post what kind of clothes you deal into.
Hmm.
It's fancy, it's party, it's normal cotton or khadi, XYZ. So website, what helps? It helps with the price range. It is in front of the user. Yes, this whatever I'm looking for, so and so frock or whatever. This is the even if you put up the keyword, I want a dotted frock, checks t-shirt. So you'll get all type of checks t-shirt. You'll get in maroon white, you'll get black and white, you'll get red and black. Okay, so all type of different. So you are just looking for checks t-shirt, but you will get n number of colors which is in front of you.
Hmm.
So it makes very easy for the user to take the decision, even if he has a price range. So you can alter the price range, which is you can adjust the filter, and you will get the result in front of you. You don't have to. If you'll go to a store, you'll ask him for the T-shirt, then he will show you, and you will say like, "Nahi, I don't. I'm not looking for so expensive. I'm looking for 400 or 700, 800." He might say, "Nahi, we don't have these range. I have this only. There is no quality." But again, if you buy and get it at home, okay, so there are very less chances of exchanging because you have approached directly there. Okay, so here online, you have like 7 days return policy, which Amazon gives many e-commerce website, they provide these kind of facility. So you have, good options. Okay.
Mm.
Understood. So websites is an additional advantage. So, like not about clothing. Suppose you have, suppose I deal into courses. Suppose I have an institute where I run digital marketing course, I run graphic designing course, I run data analytics, data science, whatever. I run tuitions also. So
Mm.
if I'm promoting about tuitions, okay, people will visit to the page where they are looking for the kids. Okay, they are looking for the tuitions. But again, there are parents who are looking for 10th standard tuition, and 10th standard, after 10th standard, they might get an ad to see of digital marketing on the same page. So they must be curious to know, I mean, like after 10th board exams, they have 3 months gap. What they can do, they can go for the digital marketing course. There is no age criteria, there is no qualification criteria in this, or else they can go for graphic designing. So these options can drive traffic from one page to that option that is possible on website.
So website is something that say it's not like Google Business, right? So Google Business is, as you said, that you'll have to keep updating with
Yeah,
pictures,
Google My
etc.
Business will be only about your one particular, but no
Ah,
more options in that.
correct. So
Here,
webs.
yeah, website he can explore all multiple pages.
Okay. So it is not required. It is not necessary
No,
that
no,
website
it's
has
fine,
to
it's
keep
fine.
updated. It's
It's
not required.
completely fine. See, many
Hmm.
people are running business because of Google My Business also.
Correct.
Your Google My Business, your keywords, your information about your product and service is updated properly, you will come
Hmm.
up on the first page. That day also I showed you. Only keywords play very much important role.
Hmm.
So whatever keyword you're putting, any user is putting
So,
your.
so what I can understand is that from in my industry, pertaining
Uh-huh.
to my industry, what has happened is some people had updated this website.
Acha.
Now, whatever services, etc., etc., over a period of time, he's forgotten what is there in the website only.
Yeah. So
So, when all of a sudden,
correct.
so, uh,
See what happens, Vijay, because it is like a full-time work for website. It is
mm,
not only you are just investing for a year like 4-5 thousand buying a domain hosting. It is not just buying a domain and hosting. You have
mm,
to run a SEO. You have to work on your website. You need
correct.
to update on your content, keywords.
Mm,
Because see, anyone like if you're talking about your competitors, go on Google and check with the keywords, okay,
mm,
and see where are they. I mean, if they're
mm,
not on the first page, if they're not on the second page,
mm.
no use. Okay. After, and like they must have created the website like 2 years back, 3 years back, but they should be there at least on the first or second page, not on the 10th page.
Acha, this is something unofficial. Can I speak to you for two
Yeah, yeah,
minutes?
yeah.
See, I was actually thinking of that. I wanted to start a cloud kitchen
Okay.
before my other main business.
Okay. Okay.
Now, this is, I have located one place that now this place doesn't have that kind of outlets and other place, but it is a kind of passing road to the main city. That main city, say for example, if it is Coimbatore and
Mhm.
somebody is coming from Ooty, the main
Mhm.
road is there,
Hmm.
but he has to take a deviation and then he can cross, if I put an outlet over there, he can cross our outlet and then he can go. But that way is actually very, very free of traffic.
Okay.
So now if I have to get into this,
Mhm.
say for example, cloud kitchen in the sense, if it is something I am having people staying at Ooty. Now
Mhm.
this place which I have located is somewhere around 9 kilometers. So
Okay.
9 kilometers they will touch, and from there they'll have to go to the airport. Now the concept comes like this. Now
Mhm.
people who are traveling from Ooty, they have to reach the Coimbatore airport is going to take 3 hours.
Oh.
3 hours and then another hour, one more hour for checking. So it's 4 hours actually. So
Mhm.
4 hours, even if they had a breakfast in between, since it's a traveling actually, they might feel hungry here and there, but then the way which they are connecting to the airport doesn't have that kind of outlet except for that local tea shops.
Okay.
So the planning was that if uh, I have to keep kind of one snacks vagera where they immediately order, come
Mhm.
and the order is ready. I give it to them and they push off so that they can. It's a kind of light bites kind of setup,
Okay. Okay.
and they might have it on the way or they might reach the airport and they can have there whatever.
Mhm.
So Now the crowd, I have to deviate from the main road, and
Mm-hmm.
then I'll have to bring it to, then I have to make them cross my outlet and go. So
Okay.
that's the challenge.
Okay. Okay. So you do one thing, I mean, like you have not yet started, no, this.
No, this is just a thought which came all of a sudden today, since today morning, and my mind was working on that.
Okay. Okay.
So, but locally, so I was thinking that what will the customer search for this kind of outlet or
They'll search
uh,
with the keyword only.
acha, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah, they'll be searching with the keyword only. And
Hmm.
if you're registered on Google My Business, now the map will automatically show them where are you located.
Okay.
Yeah. So if it is working good, I mean, even Swiggy, Zomato, if you know, that
Ah,
also is very good where people prefer, going through this. Register yourself under Swiggy and Zomato also.
okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
because
okay.
many people, whoever search, they might, search for, home cooked food, you know.
Hmm.
So that is where few people are very much curious. They want to, if they are getting a food cooked from home, that is
Hmm.
more, you know, bet best than the restaurant one. So
Okay.
many cloud kitchen, they have Swiggy, Zomato with under them.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, say for example, what I
Mm-hmm.
was asking is that now suppose they are entering Nilgiris.
Mm-hmm.
Now, say for example, I have put my outlet. Now, once they enter into Nilgiris, is
Mm-hmm.
there a way that this marketing thing goes to their Gmail account or Yahoo account or wherever, something like that?
See, you can run, that's what I told, Google My Business, if you're registered, no.
That is itself. That is good enough, right?
Yeah, that is good enough. You can run ads, okay,
Ah,
where
okay.
it will reach to the audience who are interested for your particular category.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay,
And
okay.
again, it might see what Google does when you run an ad from Google Ads, it will show wherever maximum, it will perform the best where you can get the leads. It will not show like, suppose you're into cooking, okay, I mean, like you have a cloud kitchen, it will not show to any random, website page where people are least bothered. I mean, like who is interested for the
Correct.
understood.
Understood.
Suppose
Understood.
anyone who is searching, for example, you can say website where DMart, you can say those who are
Mm,
looking for groceries
mm,
or those who are looking for fruits. So
mm,
the ad might pop up in front of them, like want to have
mm,
a home cooked meal. So
mm,
because the audience who are looking for food or the related food items, definitely they'll be interested for ordering.
mm,
So
mm,
Google will show your ad on maximum platforms wherever the space is available. Then it is banner ad or it is a text ad or whatever you have designed.
mm,
So it might go on Google. It might show on the Gmail also. It will show on the any website of Google, any platform. So you don't
okay.
have to worry that. Only thing is your budget,
Mm,
and you don't have to go for a website also. You
mm,
can get leads from Google My Business. But only thing is keep posting your reviews. Suppose anyone has ordered, okay, if they have been, I mean, like they're happy with the services or whatever, ask them please rate now, okay, so
mm,
that it will keep on updating. So Google also what they do, I mean, like they keep on checking, like always when the query is been shown to the customer, the customer is coming up with a positive feedback. So
mm.
it is always you'll be on the first side.
Ah, that's what. Ah.
Understood? It is not like running paid ad will be the first one. So quality, where quality score matters. Yes. So
Mm,
Google
mm,
gives you a quality score that you're ranking on the first out of 10.
mm,
Okay, so
mm.
that is where you need to maintain. So keep updating, whatever the reviews, testimonials. So Google My Business also does the best. So keep your cloud kitchen, proper. I mean, like anyone who want to investigate or whatever. So they shouldn't find, it is unhygienic or anything. So you can show. So it works. But
Okay.
Swiggy, Zomato also will help you to get good leads. Apart from that, initially you start with without Swiggy, Zomato. See, or else you can check with your competitors. Okay, what keywords they are using, where are they ranking. Are they registered? If they have a website, what kind of website they have made? Or don't use their name. Okay, use a keyboard
No,
and see.
the issue is there is no competitor in that area. So
Acha.
Cloud Kitchen is going to be the first one over there.
Mm-hmm.
Second is that I have to make the people travel through my outlet. So that is the challenge.
Well, that is, if it is shortcut, then definitely Google will show them the route.
It's a shortcut.
So Google will definitely show them a route.
I don't know. I didn't try that actually.
You should check with the drivers also, cab drivers, or if
Understood.
how
Correct,
does it
correct.
work? I mean, like there is a way, or do they take a long turn or whatever it is? So then, see, that is different. But if it is convenient for them to get the food available rather than going to the airport and buying so expensive there,
Mm,
in it is not fresh also. I mean, like
correct.
airport food is never, I mean, like I have experienced all, never a fresh food. So it all depends.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So what does a website consist of? A website consists of a domain and hosting. So domain is, see, a website is nothing but, collection of pages or files, whatever, you store the images, content, video, or any other HTML content. That is called as an website. So,
Mm,
and for creating a website, we'll be looking for a domain and hosting. So domain is like, suppose you own a cloud kitchen. Okay.
mm,
Okay. Suppose it is you own it or you rent it. Okay.
mm,
So you have named your cloud kitchen, whatever the name. Okay. That is the domain where people, if you are telling anyone like I have a so and so, so you need to name. Okay.
mm,
Like for example, I have a, business, a company like accessdigisol.com. So I'll be telling, visit on Access Digisol, so and so is mine. So that is what the domain. Okay. Which is located, for example, if I speak in a local, this way, like a place is located on a piece of a land or a shopping mall, you can say, or a commercial complex, which is
mm,
rent or owned. Okay. So suppose if you want your store to be physically available, okay, someone who wants to reach to your store, there must be an address. Okay, how you will tell?
correct. Mm,
So this is online. Like
mm,
digitally, it will be a domain. They won't be
mm.
coming to that place. Okay.
Understood.
So that
Mm,
is what the domain is. And
mm,
hosting is nothing but where your entire, like, when you own a shop, okay, that is the address. Then
mm,
after having you, whatever inventory you have, the light, the furniture, the things which you keep in your
mm,
shop,
mm,
that is the hosting thing, where you are paying rent for that place, where you have paid amount to purchase that place. That is called the hosting. So the address is the domain, and whatever rent or whatever you are
So, no,
purchasing.
but hosting, how does it impact the customer? No, it does not, nothing to do with customer.
No, 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 it is nothing to do. See,
Ah,
like when you go online, you will not require a inventory here. Okay.
Acha.
Only
Mm,
your images, videos, blogs, written content, whatever information you store about your business, that is what will be there. Like
mm,
2 MB videos, 1 MB, 10 MB, 20 MB, that is what. But in physical store, there is an inventory that is lights, physical,
true.
like
Mm,
furniture, XYZ.
mm,
So
mm.
here, these images have to be stored or hosted by the server. So which is called as,
Acha. Okay, okay, okay.
yeah. So it is hosted by the server. So so hosting is, you get it monthly, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Okay, you can try different servers also, but domain is you need to buy yearly only. You cannot change it. If you want to, suppose you started with any business.
Okay, now I can understand. The
Ah,
host is the thing that which it where the domain rests over there. Correct.
correct, correct.
Acha, acha. So the domain sits over there. So you
Yes,
can,
yes, yes.
okay.
Okay. So you can buy a domain and hosting service only once you have the domain of your business and hosting
So
space.
how can you change the hosting space then? What are, I don't know. I'm asking what are the
Hosting space,
hosting
see,
space?
suppose there are many servers like competitors, you can say. Okay.
Ah,
Suppose if
okay.
you have bought a hosting service for 1 month, you want to give it a try. Okay, you
Ah,
from Hostinger. Okay,
ah,
so sometime the the space is limited, or you're not able to
acha,
open
acha.
some
Hmm.
file. Okay,
Hmm.
then you can switch to other server
Okay,
for
okay.
again 1 month. So there are
Hmm.
three like different servers. You can give it a try.
Okay, there are many servers like that.
Yes, many servers, and hosting only gives you like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and all. Domain minimum 1 year.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
even if you buy a like now you have purchased okay a domain of so and so name XYZ, you have not decided the name of the firm, but
Hmm.
you have just bought it. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
now I mean like 3 months you have worked, now you are fully, you have become a pro on a website. You can
Hmm.
create
Hmm.
pages, you can post, everything is going very smoothly. Now you decided like, I want to change my name. I mean like name of the website. You cannot
Hmm.
change. You have to purchase a separate domain.
Oh, okay. Acha, acha,
Yes.
acha. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
make sure, I mean, like whenever you want to purchase, you should have a proper name. Okay, don't go for a trial basis also because see,
Hmm.
Vijay will definitely spend a lot of efforts creating a website. It's not easy, like just copy pasting the content. No, you need to
Hmm.
hire a content writer. You need to create a unique content. No copied content not allowed.
Hmm.
Anyone, if you have copied content from anyone's website, images, anything, the person is, eligible to, claim against the
Hmm.
copy.
Hmm. 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 Understood.
So it has to be, because Google is something very different. You can do these things on Facebook, Insta. There is no algorithm.
Hmm.
Copied content, first
Hmm.
copy, second copy, you can sell anything.
Hmm.
But Google will not allow you do anything. Even if you pay, if you're paying 10,000 rupees also per day for the ads, Google will not at all allow you. Your website will be disabled.
Acha.
Then
Hmm.
again, it will be a big procedure. You need to
Hmm.
send a mail and verification will be done and all. It will take
Hmm.
like months for you
Hmm.
be live again. So it's better
Oh.
we shouldn't do that.
Hmm.
Okay, so the server is like, the hosting service server is like located somewhere remotely. Okay, you don't have to bother about it. So when you upload a image or anything, okay, it is stored remotely on computer. That's it.
So, Nasrin, you do content writing also in this in
No,
your
no,
Stu
no,
Valley? No, no.
no, 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 I
Acha,
don't.
acha.
I don't.
No, your Stu Valley does it.
They must be having, content
Acha.
writers for that. So
Okay.
they must be doing it.
Now, I wanted to
You're looking for a content
do
writer.
a content writing for myself. I want
Huh.
to take up a course.
Huh.
Where can I get the best one at a cheaper price?
Check on UDMY. Did
Okay.
you check?
No, but one-on-one coaching will they give? That's what I'm asking.
No.
It's
One-on-one
all.
coaching now, na Vijay, see, to be frankly speaking, there is nowhere.
Mm,
Everyone is like, see, like this happens when they, arrange the session. Nobody,
mm,
joins. And because paying a trainer is like online one-to-one is expensive.
mm.
So when they don't, so they have all started with the recorded videos and PDFs. That's it.
Oh, like
So
that.
nominal amount
Mm,
they charge. So
mm.
whenever the user is available, whenever he is feasible, he'll just go through the recorded sessions, videos, and that's it. It is done.
Okay.
So this is what is happening. So I doubt, but you can just give it a try if they have any live. I,
Mm.
but I've heard only about, or else you can Google also, okay, like content writing course. Put up the
No, no,
keyword.
I have done that actually. In fact, last year I had done with one
Ha ha ha.
lady called Vidya or somebody. She's
Okay.
she's
Then
quite, she's quite okay. But then it was something I was not very impressed.
okay.
That was
But
that's
for
the reason.
content writing, for what? I mean, like for your business purpose or for
Correct,
company?
correct.
Acha, acha. So you can take it from Quora and all these websites.
Mm.
I told you, like, you can spin the content and you can use it.
Fine.
That is
No,
also
no, no.
fine.
I thought in your circle, if you were able to identify some.
No, no, no. I mean, like, content writers are very expensive. I mean,
अच्छा
if
अच्छा.
you want to
हम्म.
create your content and if so that's the reason. Suppose any one who wants to create a website, if they come to me, I tell them,
हम्म.
domain hosting, rest of the things I'll be doing it. I mean, for the graphic designing, also have a graphic designer who will take care of the images and all. But content is it is your job. I mean,
हम्म.
like, I won't be taking because see what happens, Vijay. Many content writers now they have become smart. They use tools also, ChatGPT or all.
Correct.
We don't
Yeah.
know, and we don't have
हम्म.
that much of time, just to cross check whether they
हम्म.
have created their own content, whether they have they copied it also.
हम्म.
So again,
हम्म.
if just in case the website is live and if Google suspends the website because of the copied content, so it shouldn't be our headache then.
हम्म.
It's better the user handles in his own way.
That's better always.
Yeah, because it
Mm.
now every content writer is they have become smart and it's again expensive, like 2 rupees per word they charge, or
Mm.
depends, like 10 pages they charge this much, 20 pages this much. So
Mm.
it's better, they can coordinate with the content writer and they know much better like what kind of content they want to have it. So, regular follow-up also we should have that much of time, for
Mm.
the with the user, I mean the client also. So it's better they
Gotcha.
get it done. Baki rest, so it's very easy. Only
Okay.
content is like because see after even
No,
if
I'll grasp it. Either
yeah
I'll take it.
because see any content writer also if you approach, okay, if he's like ki I'll charge you 10,000, so sometimes the client has a issue with the amount also. Why so
Mm.
expensive? What
Mm.
is there? Why 10,000? It's too much. You're charging already very well.
See, in a digital marketing itself,
Yeah.
now I think you're charging somewhere 8, 9,000 rupees, I believe.
Yeah.
But there are still courses for 30, 40,000 rupees. So what is the difference actually? I really don't know.
See, it is all depends upon the brand. I
Oh,
feel, see,
that's it.
Vijay, even if you're giving 60,000 and if you
It's the
a prop-
same.
it's the same thing. No, if
Uh,
the trainer, the faculty is not proper for you, if he's
mm.
not teaching you from the scratch and the way, I mean, like you are eligible to do, even if I tell you, like, Vijay, now you have to run a campaign. So
Mm.
you should be quick at least,
Correct.
going to the Facebook ads manager, creating which, if
Correct.
I just tell you, okay, like, I want a traffic on my website. So you
Mm.
should quickly understand, nahin,
Mm.
I have to select the objective for the traffic.
Mm.
So you should start. So that
Mm.
is what the difference is. Even 60,000, if they are taking there are freshers, the students are not at all aware ki how does it work. They
Mm.
must be like,
True. True.
completely with a question
Mm.
mark कि यार ये क्या है जो
Mm.
सिखा रहे हैं बस वही. So they might
Mm.
give you like, this is the PDF, this is the recording, and this is what you have to do. But until and unless the student is not doing it in front of you,
Mm.
you shouldn't leave that.
Mm.
So 60,000 is also the same, 12,000 is also same, 30,000
Mm.
is also same.
Mm.
Okay, only thing is if you are interested to learn, you should keep on asking questions. You should deep dive in the topic what you are learning.
Correct.
Not what is been taught in the session. You apart from the session, you need to do a lot of research, how people are getting ads, how people are getting leads, what are the strategies they're using. So everything you have to do it.
Mm.
Thing is like like basic when you want to learn English, ABCD is the base, so that is
True.
what is been taught in every course. So
Mm.
rest how to make the words, that is you have to take efforts for that.
Understood.
So
So
this
the content is the same across all digital
yes,
platforms.
yes,
So everybody is teaching the same only.
almost same, there is nothing difference. So I'll tell you my story, like I had learned 12 years back. Okay, I had
Hmm.
paid around 70,000.
Oh my God. Ah.
70,000, 3 months course, and they promised we'll give you, 10 tools free, 12 tools free. Nothing was given. It was just promoting, marketing strategy.
Which
Okay.
institute is this?
In Pune only, DSIM.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was very well known, very good brand.
Hmm.
Okay. So, and it was offline, no online also. So nothing. And 3 months course. I mean, like I joined 2 days. The trainer he left the job. Okay. So they
Oh.
didn't conduct the session for 15 days. Then
Mm.
again, we were like, "Ki, what happened?" And also, they had to call us again. Okay, we'll conduct. So they used to, hire a trainer for 2 hours. The trainer used to come and used to just teach. I mean, like, you will not believe, only in 1 month the course was done. Like, course was like, today we'll complete SEO 2 hours, SEO is done. Tomorrow, website 2 hours, done. Tomorrow, then day after tomorrow, Facebook 2 hours, done. So like this, they were not even bothered whether the student has learned, whether the student is no, I mean, like, he's aware how to create a campaign. Nothing was done.
Mm.
And we were like completely blank because this was completely new concept. Okay.
Correct.
And to be frankly speaking, I had no social media accounts also that time. So for me, creating an account was also a very new thing to learn. So leave
Okay. Okay.
about the ads.
So, so it's basically a scam only.
Yeah, I mean, like, scam just, but only thing is, see, those who want to learn, they will definitely
Yeah. Yeah.
take efforts and they get it. I mean,
Mm.
see, it's everywhere. Commercial has become, not only this field, anywhere you go, it's all commercial. Even tuitions you take, anything, anything. So it's up to you. See, why parents, they come up with a teacher like, my student, I mean, like, my child is not improved with the result. What is that? So that
Mm.
is what the parents are behind the teacher. That's the reason the teacher takes the efforts. Ki, yes, they are
Mm.
interested. They want the child to, score. So then only the teacher will put an efforts to make the student learn.
True.
So the same thing is here. If you are interested, you join. If you like, morning session also
No,
happen.
no, no. What I'm telling is, if it is a fresher, then he will not know no, until he gets into that
Yeah.
field
See,
only
if
he'll
he'll not
know.
know also, but again, he should also go and check the videos on YouTube, or you should also check
Ah.
on Google. See, all mostly 70% is practical based in digital marketing. Okay.
Mm.
Like,
Mm. Correct.
I take morning session also 8:30 to 9:30. There are students like, out of 8 students, there are 4 students who are, no, 3 students who are quite active. Even
Mm.
complete, it's completely a fresh topic for them, but they make sure that whatever has been taught, they get it done. Next day they show me. Rest
Mm.
all are like, yes, we are doing, we are doing. So I don't force also. I ask them twice, thrice to share the screen. I want to see whether you are learning, because see what happens then again,
Mm.
at the end of the day, they will, blame the institute, they'll blame the faculty. There
Acha,
was
acha.
nothing was
Mm.
taught.
Mm.
So recording is given. So in recording also, they have a track that yes, the trainer has been doing the follow up for the students, but the student didn't turn up.
Mm.
So that is what. So it's all up to the interest.
Mm.
That's it. So I
Mm.
was
Mm.
very much interested. So I learned, you know, then I joined DigiPerform.
Mm.
DigiPerform is also one of the very good brand. You can check on Google also. So I worked with them for 2 years. So it was like a very big brand for me,
Acha.
DigiPerform. Then I worked with Upgrad. So all, so it all
Mm.
depends upon your, interest. That's it.
Okay. Then I'll be aware of this.
Yeah. So whatever you
Because I
learn.
was browsing for this content writing only. Now, of
Mhm.
late, some lady, there is a organizations called Skill Arbitrage. Have you
Okay.
heard?
So you can check
So
on.
she called me, then I said, let's not waste our time. You tell me what are your
Yeah.
charges.
Yeah, correct. So how much is
So
charging?
she's telling it's around 60,000. I said it's
Oh,
very high.
very high.
No, it's a brand, this, that, this, something and all she was telling.
So just ask her, if I tell you to create a content for my website, or so how much will you charge?
Correct. I know. Then they'll
Like,
charge in lakhs
it's
only.
better. See, there are so many tools available which
No,
help.
no, no. Now I can understand that maximum. Even if I do my own content, also nothing is going to happen.
No,
See,
no, no, not at all.
mine is a product where people will come and enjoy and go. So
Correct.
slowly, I'll develop the content. I'll go
Correct.
through ChatGPT, etc. Refer
ChatGPT,
here
Content
and
Spinner, Squillboard.
what is content spinner?
Content Spinner, I think I showed you, no? Or I didn't show you. See, I
Content
showed you,
spinner.
I think, where you can spin your article.
Ah, okay. Content spinner. Let me make a note of it.
Content Spinner, if you go on Google. So I don't use only, I mean, like, I don't reach to content writers. There's a content writer. These are all tools for spinning your article. Okay,
So what is
suppose,
spinning of article?
wait, I'll show you. Free AI article spinner. Wait, I'll show you. We'll go to
So it
ChatGPT.
will check for duplication,
हाँ नहीं
something like that.
duplicating also and it will paraphrase the same content.
Okay, refresh.
Yes.
Acha.
See now if you say what is graphic design. So I'll just take this only these. I'll paste it.
Acha. Okay. So that's a basic one.
Yes. So if you'll basic paraphrase, advanced also you can take it here. It will here plagiarism checker is also there, whether it's duplicated, is it copied from somewhere. That also you can check. Suppose if you hire a content writer also,
He'll
you
do the
can
same.
check. Yeah.
Acha. So this is Quillbot.
Yes. Will bot. You will get many. So standard you want, fluency you want, natural, formal, academic you want, simple. So as per that, your content will
Hmm.
be created. So you have to select this. I just selected for the standard one. It will rephrase it.
Okay, if you
Yeah.
check fluency, it will be a different one.
Yes, yes.
Acha. Oh, so many things are happening.
Yeah. So that's
Interesting.
the reason, many people they don't, I mean, because now content creator have become very smart using these kind of tools.
Understood, understood.
Because who will, I mean,
Hmm.
like nobody will also,
Hmm.
it's very difficult for you because see, when you give a work to someone, until unless you are aware about these things, you will not
Hmm.
check whether it's copied or it's a duplicate.
Correct. True.
You will just say, yeah, I have paid 5,000. That means it's a genuine content he has created. So you just
Hmm.
copy it and you paste it on the website.
Hmm.
So this is what it happens.
This is Quillbot.
Yeah. Quillbot and many, I mean, like if you check on Google now, article spinner, you will get
Hmm.
many website. So this is, if you go for the paid also, it will immediately, whatever content you're writing on website, it will highlight like this is copied one or where you need to improve, change the word, XYZ, like, where Grammarly help you underline. So
Hmm.
the same
Hmm.
thing happens here. Plagiarism checker is there. Then you can see translator, summarizer, grammar,
So you only have to sit and do a little bit of research and then finish them. Hello.
you get it. Essay checker, punctuation checker, spell checker, AI proofreader, grammar checker. ठीक है. So we'll just
So
check
you
with the
only have to sit and do a little bit research, then you will know everything.
yes. So now
Correct, na?
initially it's free
Ah,
per current plan. ठीक है. And $4.17 per month. I think not bad also.
so that's
I
what,
think
around 300,
500 rupees per
500
month.
rupees. Yeah.
है ना? Approx.
That is
Now it's
that too we are using it once or twice only.
हाँ.
Hmm.
नहीं, but again, see, if you are completely into content creation, suppose you want to post it for Quora,
Hmm.
okay? If you want to post, if you're writing a content for any, see what happens, like many of my students, what they do, okay? They use Canva, okay?
Okay.
Recently, I mean, like, 6 months back, the Canva had given, like, for 99 rupees,
Hmm.
the premium
Correct.
for the
Hmm.
entire.
Hmm.
So what
Pro.
they started, like anyone who want to create a brochure, who want to create a logo,
Hmm.
you just post it, you create a page on your account that graphic designer or whatever. So you
Hmm.
keep posting what work you have done. So
Hmm.
they reach out, like, anyone who want to create a post, anyone who want to create a banner,
Hmm.
for
Hmm.
300 rupees, 200
Hmm.
rupees. So
Hmm.
that is how they have earned, 1500 rupees per week. Every week they have earned 1500 to 2000 rupees a week. In
Hmm.
fact, they have created resumes using Canva. And people are not aware ki Canva, you can create resumes from Canva also.
I know.
Naukri and all, they charge 1000 rupees. So here they have charged 200, 300 rupees for creating resumes. 500 is also nothing.
Much.
So it's all depends. When you have tools, you can put up anything. See, social
True.
media is a platform where people, they spend a lot of time. They give their time just to earn in the best possible way. So even for
Okay.
this content thing, put up, like, anyone who is interested for a content, I'm content creator, whatever. So you can,
Hmm.
for the social media account. So there are many people, because see, it is not necessary like everyone is though everyone is educated, but people don't have time to create a content also.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. So these are the tools where they use it. And apart from website, anything is possible. I mean, like, there is no, I mean, Blackvism checker on any other site apart from website. Google only has some restrictions. Okay, where if it finds anything, then they might object. And that too depends of the client, if they have, a copyright issue with the copied content. That's it. Otherwise, nothing else. To prevent accidental plagiarism, then much more. See, these are all limited, nine unique modes. Compare different modes. Access paraphrase history, paraphrase in 23 languages. See, you get it here also. You get it free में. Translate text into 40 languages. You can translate the text also.
I know.
Yes, adjust number of synonyms. Everything. See, these are all features. You will get it here.
Great.
Okay, you can
Hmm.
use these tools. So don't need to hire a content writer or
I'll not.
what
I'll not.
else. Yeah, when you will use
Disappoint.
these tools and you get a pro, in fact, you only train them in
Correct.
10,000. So you
Yeah,
can
I know.
deliver all the traffic to your, you know.
I
Yeah,
know.
that is what happening now. That is what, see, if you're smart enough, why, if you must have come across on Facebook also, people are running ad, like, learn Facebook ads at 199.
True.
See, it is not necessary. See, if I'm a fresher, okay, I just want to learn, I will pay. But do you think I'll be eligible? I mean, like, people are so busy now. Even if you register, you don't get time to join,
Exactly.
and it is
Exactly.
190.
That's
But
it.
so, see, even 10 people also register, 2000 is in our pocket and nothing.
Mhm.
One
I
hour
know.
you'll teach, you log into Facebook, you go
Correct.
to Ads Manager, that's it. Half an hour, the campaign is done, design. That's it.
Mm.
So smart, how you need to promote your product smartly, you have to learn this.
Mm.
That is what is happening now. I mean, if you say learn Facebook ads for 5,999, they will be like, "Arey, who is going to spend 5,999? Leave it. I'll learn it from YouTube." So 199.99, ठीक है ना? बहुत reasonable है, कुछ नहीं. So So it's up to us how we think, because everyone is like कि जितना, when it is free, you will get maximum traffic to that post.
True.
If it is post कि learn free of cost or buy one get one, you will get lot of traffic. When you will post so and so product is of so and so, I mean, like, 50%, 90%, there will be less chance people will be liking the post.
Mm.
This is how the strategy is. So once they will learn by, like, even and Facebook ads also, those who teach in 199, they will just teach once. Okay,
That's correct. So what
one
I can
objective.
understand is they will
हाँ,
teach
one
once and
objective. Yeah.
probably maybe after 1 or 2 months they'll again log in.
1 or 2
Something.
months नहीं. I mean, like, suppose when they will run an ad, okay, they want to run an ad for their business, they will
Mm.
definitely have a issue कि अरे क्या बताया था उसने, कैसे
Mm.
किया था. I mean, like, I just don't remember also. and so and so.
mm,
And that time he had used traffic objective.
mm,
When
mm,
he's
mm,
going for
mm,
awareness, he's having some other, options there.
mm,
अभी इसमें
mm.
क्या करना है? तो फिर what they do, 199, he just sold it for that particular session. But what he has mentioned, we have more advanced, codes related for Facebook where we can show you how to boost a post, boost a ad. If you want
So
to learn,
that is additional
yes,
charges, etc.
yeah. So that they pitch there. If you
Mm,
want
I
to
know.
reach out for more, options or more,
I know. I know.
so contact.
I
So that is what the other traffic coming.
I have this 99 wala. I have attended a lot.
है ना? हाँ, so that
Yeah.
is, yes,
199, 99 and all. I have attended so many. It's not that I want, but I wanted to see what are they planning to do. So finally, the crux is that they are
hmm,
luring you into their the
yes,
higher business.
correct. But that's
So
what I
then,
like. See, if you run a ad like what you said, ki what is the difference between 60,000 and paying 15,000? So that
hmm,
is what I mean. Like people, they think, "Arey yaar, 15,000 is too much, 60,000 is too much." So again, if you are spending, okay, if they are giving you 100% placement and if the faculty is very good, everything, then it's worth spending so much. So
but we
now
do not
people,
know about that.
yes,
Hmm,
because you until and unless you don't enroll, you
hmm,
don't pay, you will not know what is going on. Because
correct.
now the reviews are also being, purchased.
Hmm.
Reviews
Oh,
rating
अच्छा
on
अच्छा.
Google.
Hmm,
Yeah,
hmm, hmm, hmm.
they pay you. I mean, like all the big brands, they tell you like, we'll pay you, so and so, will deliver this product. Please review or rate our product on Google. So this is what bribe everywhere happening. But
No, I
again,
also got those offers. They
yes.
told me that we would like to give a 5 star for this restaurant in Delhi, here,
Hmm.
there, and we'll pay you. We wanted your Telegram account, etc. But then I
Hmm.
also thought that it was going to be a scam. So I
Yes,
left it there.
Google doesn't allow. Google then filters if these
Hmm.
things are happening here.
Acha. Oh,
Yes,
Google filters.
Google filters. If it is fake reviews rating, they filter very well.
Oh, okay.
Google filters. You cannot cheat on Google much.
Huh.
This Google can make out what's happening, but rest, it's fine. So this is how it works. So you get pro with the tool, okay, and then
Hmm.
you start.
I'll do. I'll learn A to Z in that and then I'll get
Yes.
it.
Yes. You see, even if you don't want to take it from ChatGPT, put up on Quora, na, whatever
Hmm,
you're
hmm,
looking for. You will get multiple answers.
hmm,
Take those
hmm,
multiple answers, put up in the Quillbot
hmm, hmm,
content spinner. It will spin for you again.
hmm.
So it will be like, at least 90% pure content you will get.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay then, Vijay, we'll connect on Friday.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye. Take care. Have a nice
Bye
day.
bye bye. Have a nice day.